Talking about the big screen experience, movie releasing in cinemas.
So many flashes of just memories with my family coming and sitting here and watching iconic films. Songs are such a big part of our culture. The entire singing and dancing experience is such a big part of why we love the movies so much.
Is that a different experience?
अगर 5 मिनट का भी रोल दे दो मुझे, if I feel like इसके जरिए मैं लोगों को कुछ फील करवा सकती हूँ और खुद कुछ नया एहसास करके इससे आगे बढ़ सकती हूँ मेरे कला में, मेरे काम में, तो मैं कर लूँगी. Hi everyone, this is Janvi Kapoor and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
We have with us Janvi Kapoor. Ruhi is coming up in theatres. We'll talk about the film and the fact that a big film is coming up in theatres after quite some time. Pleasure having you back with us on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you for having me.
And happy birthday to you belated.
Thank you
So how was your birthday this time?
It was a working birthday, which is, I think, the best kind of birthday. But it was fun. My friends that I didn't think would come ended up coming all the way to Patiala to surprise me. My father was there, and then my director and my team, they decorated my van and they ordered ice cream cakes for me, and they made me sit in the van and they decorated the full set and they called me. So it was fun. I felt special.
That's amazing. All right, so a movie coming in theatres after quite some time, and you are shouldering that responsibility. How does that feel?
So I'm positive, I'm excited, I'm hopeful. I underestimated how much I missed coming to the theatres, but as soon as I entered this theatre in particular, because it's close to my house, I've had so many flashes of just memories with my family coming and sitting here and watching iconic films, and I think that हमारे कल्चर का इतना बड़ा हिस्सा है कि हम कम्युनिटी में देख के एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करें और वो वापस आ रहा है, वो उस चीज़ को हम मरने नहीं दे सकते. एंड न्यू नॉर्मल तो हो रहा है, हर जिंदगी के हर एस्पेक्ट में अभी न्यू नॉर्मल हो रहा है. सो व्हाई शुड वी लीव दिस बिहाइंड, एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट वी आर टेकिंग द फर्स्ट स्टेप्स विद रूही.
How was the experience of working in a film which is based in the hinterland, like the entire vocabulary, the way it has been used? Was it a new experience?
It was definitely a new experience. Although in Dhadak also there was an attempt to
Of course.
crack that, and we've attempted that again in this film. We paid a lot of attention to it actually. I was working with actors that are very well versed in that world and in that aspect, and our writer was constantly on set. So there were a lot of people that are very familiar with that world, which was very comforting. और हम उसी दुनिया में एक्चुअली शूट कर रहे थे, तो काफ़ी ऑर्गेनिक लगा था एक्चुअली. मैं गुंजन को साइमल्टेनियसली शूट कर रही थी, तो ऐसे कई बार होता था कि जब मैं गुंजन के डायलॉग्स बोलती थी, मैं रूही एक्चुअली कभी कभार हकलाती है और उसकी ज़बान काफ़ी अलग है गुंजन से, तो मैं गुंजन की डायलॉग्स हकलाते हकलाते वो ज़बान में बोल देती थी. तो आई थिंक मतलब मैंने तो पूरी तरह से कोशिश की. आई होप लोगों को कन्विंसिंग लगे.
And now we're talking about the big screen experience, movie releasing in cinemas. I think one of the main aspects of a big screen experience is the songs, and you are having those songs which are like a big screen experience. How crucial do you think, especially now when you guys have had an year when the movies have not released in theatre, those big screen experience in terms of song and dance, how crucial is that especially for Bollywood films?
Songs are such a big part of our culture. The entire singing and dancing experience is such a big part of why we love the movies so much. And I'm very thankful and grateful that I've gotten 2 songs that I enjoy listening to so much. I've had the opportunity to perform them, and I hope people have liked it.
When you're performing a song, and there are a lot of people around, a lot of work goes in terms of choreography and understanding the lyrics and the beats. Something that has no reference point. It becomes once it becomes a song, becomes a rage. Everyone starts copying it. How important is it for you to enjoy that moment?
If you don't enjoy it, so then it shows, and then I think even audiences won't enjoy it. So I think beats, steps, choreography, वो सब बाद में आता है. I think the main thing is that you enjoy it. वो जो चेहरे पे रौनक आती है, जो समझ में नहीं आता है, but you enjoy watching the song is because the people in it are enjoying themselves. So I think that's the most important.
Okay, now from your second film itself, you're getting films which you are helming. It is a responsibility, but what sort of pressures do you tend to feel at times, and how do you deal with that? Because many times I think acting is all about the way people perceive it and whether it
Yeah,
maybe
perception
moves
as well.
them or not. And the sort of reviews that came in for Gunjan Saxena, for example, it affected people.
Yeah.
That scene when you were coming inside that room and blasting those boys. So it is something which the experience that people are having while watching it, I think, is something that really makes you the actor
Yeah.
that you are.
Yeah, I think that my priority is not so much कि मैं ऐसी films करूँगी जो मेरे कंधों पे है या female oriented करूँगी या you know, I think my motto is to grow from the films that I'm doing, and also, like you said, to move audiences, whether that means to make them laugh, to scare them, to make them cry, to make them fall in love with me, hopefully. I think the agenda is to move people, because I've been so moved by all of my favorite films, and I think कि सबसे ज़्यादा वो ही affect करती है, सबसे ज़्यादा that's the thing that makes you a memorable actor, according to me, is if you're capable of making people feel something. तो हाँ, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो लगती है, लेकिन अगर 5 मिनट का भी रोल दे दो मुझे, इफ़ आई फील लाइक इसके ज़रिए मैं लोगों को कुछ फील करवा सकती हूँ और खुद कुछ नया एहसास करके इससे आगे बढ़ सकती हूँ मेरे कला में, मेरे काम में, तो मैं कर लूँगी, खुशी खुशी कर लूँगी.
आपके tools क्या हैं? How do you just hone your talent as an actor? Do you watch cinema, certain sort of cinema? Do you like watching theater? What is it? What are your tools like?
I love watching films. I love watching films. In fact, if I'm going through a hard time in my day or in my life, my comfort place is to watch a film, or to watch any sort of content. And yeah, I think my education has been through cinema, been on my father's film sets, been through traveling with them for their shoots. I would skip school, I'd buy DVDs and watch them back to back. I studied for my history paper by watching all of these films on Nazi Germany, and you know, my education has been through cinema. Even moral education, I think. So my world is films, and I think nothing teaches you more than practical experience being on a film set. मतलब
Absolutely.
film school जाओ, यहाँ जाओ, वो जाओ, but nothing prepares you for being on a film set. So just to try to do as much work as I can do.
You've had Gunjan Saxena. You had Rui. Both. I'm assuming could have been quite grueling physically. Now when you're having something like, say, Dostana, which is coming up, the first one was a really fun experience. One of my all-time favorite film, maybe in the last 2 decades or something. Is that a different experience? Like maybe
Yeah.
we're assuming the glamour element must be there, the fun element must be there, humor must be there.
Yeah, which I actually found tougher for a second, because it was very liberating in Gunjan and in Ruafza to not be conscious of like your vanity. अगर पसीना आ रहा है तो अच्छा है, अगर मतलब डार्क सर्कल दिख रहे हैं तो मतलब रखो. यहाँ सडनली मतलब डैब करना पड़ रहा है, टचअप के लिए लिपस्टिक लगाना पड़ रहा है, which was all not a scene in Gunjan or Ruafza. So it was new to me, and I was wondering, because like you said, Gunjan and Ruafza were both very physically grueling. So Dostana, I think, was my first film in a long time jahan like I wasn't getting bruises and I wasn't getting cut and I wasn't like having slip discs, you know. So it was, but it's a lot of fun. That said, although we shot a year ago, we shot for some 20-25 days, it was a lot of fun, and I can't wait to get back. Hi everyone, this is Janvi Kapoor and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.